In this video, we're going to go through how to utilize the forum or discussion thread feature in Be Engaged. Discussion threads will show up on your group forum, which members can find linked off of the group page. Within the forum, members will be able to access the different sections and categories there, where they can follow certain sections, respond to questions asked, post their thoughts, and more. After logging into Be Engaged, you'll go to your group and then head to the left-hand menu where you'll scroll down and click More Tools at the bottom. You'll then scroll down again and click Forum close to the very bottom. You should then see the forum page in front of you. There will be a few options on the top right side of the screen that we'll run through now. The first button is entitled Create Category. It is used to create a category, which is self-explanatory. A category is a distinct part of a section that houses similar posts from either officers or members within it. The second button is entitled Create Section. It is used to create a section, as you may have guessed. A section is the theme for a group of categories, whether they be threads specifically for discussions, questions, comments, and so forth. The third button is entitled Manage Tags, which will bring you to the tags page within your group, where you can assign and edit tags to organize your forum. The fourth button is entitled View Forum and brings you to the forum itself, which members can see within your group. We're going to first run through how to create a section, which again is home to categories. To do that, we'll click the Create Section button and fill out the form that pops up, giving our section a name, ordering, choosing a menu icon, and adding a custom message as needed. Once you've filled out the form, click Save at the bottom, and now go on to create your categories within that section. To create a category, we'll click the Create Category button and fill out the form that pops up, giving our category a name, assigning it to our section, which is the one we just created, and giving it an ordering as well. Once again, we'll click Save at the bottom of the pop-up and move on to create a few more categories within this section. Just remember to click Save after you create every category. Now that we've created our section and its categories, we're going to view our forum and see these sections and categories we just created within our group. To do that, we'll click the View Forum button at the top right. You can see the forum here, where members will be able to follow specific sections, view both sections and any categories within those sections, comment on posts, create posts, and more. As I mentioned, you can also access the forum and these discussion threads by going to the group page, which is under Dashboard on the left-hand menu. So we'll head back into the group, click Dashboard and then Group Page, and then choose Forum on the right-hand side. Here's another way to view the forum within the group page. You'll see all the options we just viewed under the forum section as well.